This is my take on fixing a lawnmower tire. These front tires are standard size tires, 15 by 6. And you can actually buy the tire and a new rim that's universal size for, I think I paid $44 at Home Depot. You can get match sets for about $65 on Amazon. I tried putting a tube in this tire and it took me hours to get the tube in, and then I probably did something wrong and pinched it and it didn't hold air. So putting a tube in a tire, replacing it, just wasn't cost effective based on the time. It took me less than 5 minutes to install this new tire and a rim. To get a replacement tire, they're about $30, and it doesn't make a lot of sense to get that and then have to take it somewhere and pay another $20. It's actually more cost effective to buy a replacement tire with a rim pre-installed. And my suggestion, if you're going to do it yourself, it's faster and more cost effective just to buy the whole darn thing brand new and buy the rim and the tire both. Please like and subscribe.